Kızılelma unmanned fighter jet will take Turkey's defense to new heights. The latest unmanned aircraft or unmanned fighter jet Turkiye will take the country's defense industry to a new level, according to its manufacturer Baykar. Speaking to the Turkiye Innovation Week, which was organized by the Turkish Exporters Assembly in Istanbul, Baykar CEO Haluk Bayraktar said the National Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle System, named Kızılelma Red Apple, with low detection and hypersonic speed, is a very critical and strategic project. He said that dependence on foreign countries in the defense sector is a problem, adding that technologies such as Kızılelma will ensure independence. He further said the project was a private project developed with support from Baykars' export revenue. The Kızılelma fast drone fighter jets represent a significant expansion of capabilities for slow-moving reconnaissance and missile-carrying drones. It will be capable of taking off and landing on short-runway aircraft carriers, including the Turkiye TCG Anadolu flagship amphibious assault ship. The company said that the autonomously maneuvering Kızılelma will be able to operate together with the piloted aircraft and can carry air-to-air missiles. Unmanned fighter jets are projected to carry out many military actions, such as strategic attacks, close air support, missile attacks, suppression of enemy air defenses and destruction of enemy air defenses. It is projected to be able to fly for 5 hours and reach speeds of up to 800 km/h 500 miles per hour or Mach 0.64.